Alright, I want to show you what this horse game looks like. It's extremely high quality, and I want to just show you some of the pieces here and what it actually looks like. As you can see, you've got these metal horse pieces. It comes in a bronze, there's a black, matte black, you've got a gold, and you've got kind of like a brushed nickel or silver look. It also is going to have these wooden dice, which I really like. They have a nice feel to them. They're nice and light and kind of fun to roll. They're a little bit larger than a typical dice. It's also going to come with 2 packs of cards. So these are going to be your cards that you play with so that you can get your numbers. In this way, it'll help you eliminate the horses and know how far to move the horses forward. It's got a really nice wooden textured board here, and you can see everything is really sharp. All the numbering, all the lettering, all the colors look really nice, and plus the wood looks really premium as well. This honestly could be a piece that you just leave out at your house. It could be something in, let's say, like an office because of just how it looks. And this is the box that it came in. So again, you can see this box is really premium and everything just looks really nice. This is able to fold up in the middle, and you can put all the pieces on the inside if you want to put it away. And it's got a metal latch hook on it. So a really nice looking board game set.